Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create business email with Zoho Mail. Creating a business email isn't just about sending messages, it's about building credibility and control over your communication. An email like you@yourcompany.com instantly looks more professional than a generic address, and it gives you ownership over your brand. When you start, go to the official Zoho Mail website. Right away, you'll be asked to choose between a personal email and a business email. Here, you're selecting the business email option. This choice matters more than it looks. A personal email uses Zoho's domain, like @zohomail.com, while a business email lets you use your own domain, which is what makes it professional. After selecting the business option, you'll be asked to enter your basic details, your name, email, and password. This sets up your main admin account. This account isn't just a normal inbox, it's the control center for your entire email system, including users and settings. Once you fill in those details, click Sign Up Now. Zoho will then send a one-time password, or OTP, to your email. Go to your inbox, copy the code, and enter it to verify your email address. This step ensures that the email you provided is valid and accessible. After verifying your email, Zoho will move you into the business setup phase, which is where things start to differ from a personal account. Since you're creating a business email, Zoho will ask you to choose a plan. This is where you decide how powerful your email system will be. Different plans offer storage limits, number of users, advanced features like collaboration tools. If you're just starting, you can choose a basic plan and upgrade later. Once you've selected your plan, Zoho will guide you through setting up your organization structure. This includes creating users, individual email accounts like staff emails, groups, shared emails like support @ or sales @. This is important because a business email isn't just one inbox, it's a system for multiple roles and people. Next comes DNS mapping, which is one of the most critical steps. This is what connects your domain to Zoho Mail. You'll need to update your domain's DNS settings through your domain provider to point to Zoho. This tells the internet, all emails for this domain should go through Zoho. Without this step, your email won't actually send or receive messages properly, even if everything else is set up. After DNS mapping, Zoho may give you the option for email migration. This is useful if you already have emails from another provider, like Gmail or Outlook, and want to move them into Zoho. Once all these steps are completed, your business email system is fully set up. To summarize, creating a business email with Zoho Mail involves going to the official website, selecting the business email option, and entering your basic account details, such as name, email, and password. After signing up, you verify your account using a one-time password sent to your email. Once verified, you proceed to choose a suitable plan for your organization, which determines the features and capacity of your email system. You then set up your organization by creating users and groups, allowing you to manage multiple email accounts under one system. A crucial step in the process is DNS mapping, where you connect your domain to Zoho Mail so emails can be properly routed. Optionally, you can migrate existing emails from another provider into Zoho. Once all these steps are completed, your business email system is fully set up.
So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.